Welcome back to the After Hours Trading Show. So we started this channel because we want to share our trades and our knowledge of the financial world. To anyone that's new, please take a look at our first couple of videos. It's better for anyone trying to get their foot in the door. But with that said, we're going to talk about what we're trading this week.
And this week we are trading options. Basically, options are a contract to buy or sell 100 shares of a company. I currently own a lot of shares of companies that I'm looking to get rid of, so I'm going to be writing calls this week. For example, I have Delta Airlines, would be one of mine. I'm looking at a $29 strike price, which is going to pay me a $72 premium. Basically, what this means is that if Delta Airlines ends the week over $29, say it ends at $30, I'm required to sell my shares for $29 at the current market price. However, if the Delta Airlines ends the week below $29, I keep my shares and I keep my free money in the premiums.
I will be doing the opposite. I don't have any shares, so I'll be writing puts. And what that means is I'll be obligated to buy 100 shares of these companies that I'm writing on. So what I'm looking at for a trade this week is GSX. It's an online tech company, and for a $75 strike price, I'll be looking at getting about $250 for the week. It's the exact opposite of what he was just talking about. If it ends below that, I buy it. If it ends above, I keep the premium.
And why do we like options? Well, basically, you have the option to write. You can write or buy contracts. We prefer to write them because of the high premiums that we get from it. Also, there's really three factors in options. It's time, volatility, and the strike price. Basically, when we are writing them, we have two of those that are on our favor: time and volatility.
So I can't stress this enough that if you're new, don't start with options. There's other things, but specifically writing options, we can't just chase the highest premium. We've spent hours this week digging through financials on these companies that I'll be writing puts on to make sure that this isn't something that's going to go bankrupt. I'm trying to make sure that they have good earning per share, not just a specific quarter, but year over year, revenue growth. They're not just accumulating debt, just boring stuff like that to make sure that if I own these shares, I'm not going to be stuck with something that just implodes in my account. The other thing is that options carry risk, and it's much greater risk than just buying shares. So if you're new, please do not start with options. Start with education. Feel free to leave us comments, ask us lots of questions. We're here to share our knowledge with everyone. There's plenty of other YouTube videos. There's lots of free online reading material. There are a lot of ways to go about and find this knowledge.
This has been another episode of the After Hours Trading Show. Please do us a favor, like, subscribe, and like you said, ask us questions below with your comments, and keep tuning in. And as we get more in depth with our trading styles, and we're gonna help you guys make money.